Alright guys, at home, I am starting the video late because we did a workbook check right at the beginning, so it would just be wasted time. Makes the video a little shorter because we're just gonna go over the material. Alright, so your homework for tonight, 36 and 37, and electronic activities 1 and 2. They were not loading. Hopefully I'll figure out what's going on with that and you'll see those later in the day. If they don't show up, then obviously you don't have to do them. But 36 and 37 you should be doing. 36 and 37, no new material. Now when you go to 36, you'll see that it says repaso at the top. That means that it's review. So we've gotten through all the new material. These are the pages that start reviewing through the past material. Extra credit, if you're going to do it, is due Friday. That would go on this quarter. The quiz on Monday will be like the first grade of the second quarter. All of it goes towards your semester grade, your first semester grade, so that's the deal with that. All right, put away your iPads, please. Yes.
Do the grades reset to like 0, like flat?
The grades reset to 0, yes, but not really.
Yeah.
The actual second quarter grade, everybody starts over again, but you're really building on for the semester, you're building on that first quarter grade.
Okay.
The way the grades break down is your first quarter grade is worth 40%, second quarter grade is worth 40%, and your exam is worth 20%. Okay? So that's the deal. All right, so at this point, we are done with the new material. So we're going to be spending today, Thursday, and Friday reviewing through and going over the material that you've done in your workbook and finishing up exercises to get you ready for the quiz. And then you'll have the quiz Monday. Saquen su cuaderno y abren su cuaderno a la página 28, creo. Abren su cuaderno a la página 28 y saquen un bolígrafo rojo. They got a red pen in your workbook. Red pen in your workbook, please. Oh shoot, we gotta do the clicking and attendance. All right, attendance wise, we should have Atisha, you're here. Bowman, Bordonia, and Blank, you're here. Cade is not. Man, I hope he wasn't just late again today. He is sick? Okay, that's actually good. Because comparatively, he keeps coming in late and he's getting held out of class. Collins is here, Drobeck's here, Kopp's here, Papadelis is here, Roberson, Rollins, Sessi, and Turner. Good. I think we're getting these other guys back like Thursday. Some are coming in today? Yeah, I think the official day is tomorrow that they come back, and it depends on what period that they got pulled and all that, then they might be back today. But either way, most of these guys should be back on Thursday. And then Clicker. Where's Wheelo? All right. Am I right about the page? 20. We just did 27, right?
Yeah, I'm 21.
Do we finish up 27?
Yeah.
Okay, good. 28. Oh man, Peter. Great. Love. Love ad block.
Do you have ad blocker? Or is that like a fake ad?
It's kind of big.
I don't know.
Page now.
I have ad block.
Oh, so you pay for ad blocker?
No, I didn't pay. There must be like end of the trial session or something. I don't know. All right. All right, this one, you needed to, you're doing a mix here. Well, actually, this one is, so there's not the real thinking about SARE here, right? Oh, no, there, let's see, right, 6 sentences telling where the people are from. So you're using the subject pronoun they give, conjugating the verb of SARE, and then giving the country, correct? Is what you were supposed to do here?
So we do use the word they give us?
Yeah.
Okay, just make sure.
This one's tough. I mean, it's tough for the screen here.
Zoom out.
Let's go to another one. I'll see if I can figure out a better way to do that one for the future. This one fits well. Okay. Your friend is mistaken about the place of origin of the following famous people. Make the statements negative and then tell where they are from using the cues provided. Okay, so all you're doing here, that fit? Yeah. All you're doing here is taking the sentence and making it negative. So, what would numero uno be? Where's my stuff here? Go, Felipe. No, I think you are Felipe. Yeah, you are.
Cecilia Cruz, no S de Puerto Rico, S de Cuba, or Cuba.
Celia Cruz, no es de Puerto Rico. S de, okay, so they are changing the subject, good. S de Cuba. Okay, so what they're having you do here are two different things. One, they're having you practice how to make a sentence negative, and you do that by putting the no directly before the verb, like you have here. You put the no directly before the verb, and then the second part you're saying where they actually are from based on the cue that they give. And then you're making sure that the verb agrees with whatever subject they give you, okay? Let's see, Julio. What, ¿qué es número dos? Frida Kahlo y Diego Rivera.
Frida Kahlo y Diego Rivera, no es de Mexico.
No. Okay, what you did is you looked too closely at the example. What you did is you followed this example.
Oh, I thought I was supposed to do that.
Okay, you see, in this example, they're saying Banderas is from Mexico, and then you say, no, he's not from Mexico, he's from Spain. Now you're given Frida Kahlo and Diego Rivera are from Argentina. So what should you be saying?
Oh, they're from Argentina.
No, help them out. Xavier.
Frida Kahlo y Diego Rivera no son de Argentina, son de Mexico.
No son de Argentina. Do you see that? What you did is you took this example and carried it through on every one. You're supposed to change it based on what is being said. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so be careful when doing your homework that you're actually thinking about what is being said. Because then otherwise you just get into this pattern of just filling in blanks, and that will, even if you end up being right the first time, or one of the times, it's gonna hurt you. You gotta understand what's being said. So, Frida Kahlo and Diego Rivera are not from Argentina, and then you say, they are son de, and then Mexico. Make sense? Why not? All right, let's go, Pablo. Pablo, what about numero tres? Colin's your Pablo.
Oh, yeah.
What were you looking at? You were zoned.
No, I just forgot that my name is Pablo.
Oh, I know, but you were like kind of staring off over here. Anything special? No? Okay.
So, Alex Rodriguez, no este, California, este, nueve.
Why no? No este California. Then you say, he is from New York. Make sense? Why no? Carlos. Blank.
Rick Oberta, Menuchu, no este Chile, este Guatemala.
No es de Chile, bueno. Es de Guatemala. Bueno. Número 5. Número 5, Tomás.
Shakira y Juanas no son de España, son de Colombia.
Okay. They are not, no son from España, but they are from Colombia, son de Colombia. Get it? Any questions? Basically, they're having you review the usages of the verb tenses, and they are having you negate a sentence. So in English, we would negate something by saying not, okay? He runs, he does not run. He talks, he does not talk. We do it by putting the not before. In Spanish, we'll do it by putting no. Here we go. Had some people doing this one wrong. They were just like, it says use an item from each column, and I had some kids going, yo es de Mexico. No, you don't just go right along, that makes no sense. You gotta actually think, okay, and figure out what conjugation makes sense. Bless you. Let's do this. Numero uno, Juan. What would you put? Let's start with yo. Probably most of you did anyways, but even if you did them in a different order, let's start with yo as the subject. What would you put, Juan?
Yo soy Mexico.
Yo soy what?
De Mexico.
De Mexico. Okay, good. Doesn't really matter what you picked for this end here. What mainly you need to worry about is whether you have the conjugation ready at the beginning, because although probably, what should he probably, well, let me ask you first, what should you probably have actually had for that one? What? Yeah, most of them it doesn't matter because we don't know where these other people would be from. However, since you're saying yo, that's the only one we do know, and so probably should have been de Estados Unidos. Make sense? But otherwise, you're just looking for the verb conjugation, really. So, Raul, what's numero dos?
Oh, me?
Yep. Okay.
I did say usted es de Nueva York.
Okay, good. Usted, you formal, and then the conjugation that goes with that is es. All right. Let's see. Miguel, numero tres. Juan y Ana.
Son de San Antonio.
Bueno. Son de Juan y Ana. Juan y Ana. If Juan and Anna in English, what would you replace them with?
Son.
No.
Oh,
What pronoun would you In English, you would take they. They in Spanish, ellos. Ellos form of ser, son. Okay? Those are the steps you go through to get the right answer. How about Antonio? Número cuatro, nosotros.
Nosotros somos de Puerto Rico.
Bueno, nosotros somos de. Nosotros is we, so you need the we form of, it's we, and nosotros form of somos, nosotros somos, nosotros form of ser is somos, and then de wherever you picked. How about numero cinco? Mario.
Tú eres de Puerto Rico.
Tú eres de Puerto Rico, whatever. Doesn't matter, but two form of ser eres. Does that make sense? Any questions? Get it? Good. Moving on. Let's see. Oh no, I gotta delete this. Then we'll move on. What's on this page? Choose the words that have been borrowed from Spanish is what you're supposed to do there. I don't want to do that right now. I mean, okay, what are they? Give me one of them.
Burrito.
Burrito, bueno. What else?
Salsa.
Salsa, bueno. What else?
Banana.
Banana.
Where's that? Oh, right here, banana. Okay. What else? Oh, this comes from the culture section. Did you guys, I didn't read the culture section. I mean, you can kind of tell which ones, are going to be, because they have the look of a Spanish word. However, what did you guys say? What'd you say after banana? Patio, I think tornado, also. Cumbia. I'll have to read the culture section though. Is there any other that we missed?
1, 2, 3.
I have condor and burrito.
Yeah, we said burrito, but condor,
Oh,
yes, that would go condor also.
7.
Say again?
7. Not on there, there's 7, I mean.
Not on there, and you said,
I got
There's
eight.
7, there's like 7 words.
oh, okay, 7 of them that should be
Yeah.
circled, I'm sorry.
That's
okay.
what I was more of a question, but.
Okay. I don't know. Again, I'm sorry guys, this is the first time with this book, and I'm just kind of going through it cold. Sounds right, sounds like there should have been 7. I could pull up my teacher's edition and we can look at it, but I don't know off the top of my head. Mainly you're just trying to get across the idea and practice making sure that you read the culture section and ready for quiz or test based on it. So how about we hold off on this until I read the culture section? What about this? Can we do this one without the culture? This is just a dialogue, right? Looks like it. Okay. This one we should be able to do. Or I should be able to do. Hopefully all of you can do the culture section ones. Let's see, who haven't I picked on? You, De Niro. Manuel and Sarah are talking about 2 new students. I gotta do this thing. Talking about 2 new students. Complete the dialogue with the correct words from the word box. He says, Hola, Sarah. Hola, Sarah. Blank estás. What should be there? Como estás? Bueno. How are you? Sarah responds, something bien. What should be in there? Let's just go everybody. What should be in there? Estoy bien. Okay, so we crossed out this one. We do estoy bien. I am well. Thanks, Manuel. Something son ellas. What should it be? Quiénes? Okay. Quiénes. Who are they? And then Manuel's gonna say, ellas son Monica y Andrea. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm going through and filling this in. Let's make sure everybody understands what's going on here. Hi, Sarah. How are you? I am I've got a T. I am well. Thanks, Manuel. Who are they? They are Monica and Andrea, and because both of these are girls, you use the ellas for that. We got rid of that one too. Now Sarah responds, de donde
So.
son. De donde son means from where are they, the girls. And then Manuel says, ellas son de Florida. They are from Florida. Sarah responds, son ellas de la capital de Florida. Are they from the capital of Florida? And then Manuel says, no, son de San Agustin. No, they're from St. Augustine. Now research 3 new facts about St. Augustine, so you can talk with your new classmates about their hometown. You can write their book. I don't think you had, isn't this in the culture section too? St. Augustine? Isn't that on the opposite page? So those of you who didn't do this bottom part, you should have, because in the, I didn't read the culture section yet, but I thought that that opposite page was about St. Augustine in Florida. St. Augustine is what I'm looking for. St. Augustine in Florida. So you should have been able to just pull 3 facts from there. All right, any questions with this? Get it? Good. Let's see. 32. That's the end of that one, right? All right, we'll do one more here and I think we'll be done. Match each question. Uh-oh. Where is it? Match each question on the left, correct response on the right. Okay, so this is going over the vocab. Bring this here. Actividad 10. Match each question on the left, correct response on the right. ¿Cómo se dice backpack? ¿Qué es la respuesta, Julio?
B.
B. Se dice mochila. Good. It's going to be mochila is backpack. ¿Cómo se dice pencil? Carlos? F-A. Se dice lápiz. How about numero tres? What is that going to be? Pablo?
A.
¿Qué quiere decir cuaderno? You mean? Yeah. How do you say cuaderno, or what if you want to say cuaderno? Then you would say, you want to say notebook for cuaderno. How about numero cuatro, Tomas?
C.
Say. How do you say window? ¿Cómo se dice window? It would be, se dice ventana. And then número 5, ¿qué quiere decir marcador? ¿Qué quiere decir marcador? Let's go to you, Miguel. A. Bueno. How do you say marker, or what if you want to say marker? Then you, sorry, yeah, I translated, but it's going to be the marker there. And then número 6, ¿qué quiere decir silla? What is that going to be? Jesus.
For the chair.
Good. All right, day.
I am dead. That's here.
Oh, okay, wait. Say, you're having trouble saying that word?
Where is?
Okay, the way you say that, remember our vowels? Let's practice the vowels real quick. This was why people were blowing the listening section that had to do with the spelling. Because when they said A, what were you guys writing? The letter A in English. What should you have been writing? E. When they said E, what were you writing? You should have been writing I, but a lot of you were writing E. Like I told you, like the first day of Spanish, the keys to pronunciation are the vowels. Repiten A, A, E, O, U, A, A, E, O, U. Drill those into your brain. Now try this one slowly.
Which one?
The word that you're having trouble.
Where are?
Okay. All right. It is pronounced. Repiten. Quiere. Okay. Quiere. Quiere. You see that?
Yeah.
Repiten. Quiere. Okay. All right. So yeah. Let's delete this. What are we at? 36. Send to 39, right?
Yeah, there's one
All
more
right.
part.
Sorry?
There's one more part to that page.
Yeah. We'll do it later.
I'll work on my
All right. We pass out the wipes.
I'll give you the whole pack.